191. Turn something down. Meaning, refuse.
Example, I turn the job down because I don't want to move.
192. Turn something off. Meaning, stop the energy flow, switch off.
Example, your mother wants you to turn the TV off and come for dinner. 193. Turn something on.
Meaning, start the energy, switch on.
Example, it's too dark in here. Let's turn some lights on. 194. Turn something up. Meaning, increase the volume or strength, heat, light. Example, can you turn the music up? This is my favorite song. 195. Turn up. Meaning, appear suddenly. Example, our cat turned up after we put posters up all over the neighborhood.
196. Try something on. Meaning, sample clothing.
Example, I'm going to try these jeans on, but I don't think they will fit. 197. Try something out. Meaning, test. Example, I am going to try this new brand of detergent out.
198. Use something up. Meaning, finish the supply.
Example, the kids used all of the toothpaste up, so we need to buy some more. 199. Wake up. Meaning, stop sleeping. Example, we have to wake up early for work on Monday.
200. Warm someone or something up. Meaning, increase the temperature.
Example, you can warm your feet up in front of the fireplace.
201. Warm up. Meaning, prepare body for exercise.
Example, I always warm up by doing sit-ups before I go for a run.
202. Wear off. Meaning, fade away.
Example, most of my makeup wore off before I got to the party. 203. Workout. Meaning, exercise. Example, I work out at the gym 3 times a week. 203. Workout. Meaning, be successful. Example, our plan worked out fine.
204. Work something out. Meaning, make a calculation.
Example, we have to work out the total cost before we buy the house.